Cracked open a code one, got some food here. Let's run through some charts. This shit is lit. All-time high today. Fuck everyone who said this wasn't going to happen because it literally was programmed since the beginning of October. We have been lit since October 20th, and we will stay lit for a bit. So we'll see when. So October 20th, when was that? When did I say we were in a bull market? In this period right here. When all faith was lost right here at 69, and everyone said we were done. Not me. Nope. And they said we were done again. Not me. And they're going to say we're done again. Not me. For real, guys. Be careful who you follow. A lot of retards out there. Let's get it, though. Everyone smash the repost button. About to cook it up in this space. We're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about the miners. And it's going to get fucking lit today because I'm hyped. 1 second, guys. I am pretty lit. I've had a pretty good day. Just going to ramble a bit here because I'm fucking hyped. 1 second. Why isn't this? Oh, hold on. 1 second. Dopeness. All right, let's get going because I'm tired. I only want to be on this for like an hour. So let's see what we're looking like. All right, let's look at the freaking monthly. What is he saying? Yep. The monthly said we started the bull run already. So shout out to everyone that didn't get shaken out or capitulate last week. I mean, this shit was telling. I told everyone as soon as this popped up, it was just like a matter of time before we got this, and time is right now. So nothing has changed at all. We're gonna continue this shit. I expect a nice run like this. Well, it's just starting on the monthly, so would make sense to hit at least in December like 90,000. That's my target for like December, 90,000 respectively. And then once we hit 90,000, you'll be like, woo, 90,000. Everyone's going to be so happy. Can't wait. And then the same shit happens in February. Bah, something like that. I don't know. Maybe a little deeper. But you're about to find out. And then something like that. Something like that. That's what I'm thinking this is going to play out. But the bull market definitely has started. So unfollow anyone who says it hasn't because they're dangerous. Let's go. Miners are about to wreck. Frog, what do you mean I was right? I was thinking Mara would at least go back to 27. Frog, what do you mean I was right? Mara, yeah, for sure. Mara's gonna easily fly past 27 this month. I mean, I got a pretty sick target for Mara where I first start to scale out. So all targets are seen on the charts officially for me. So Bitcoin looks ready. So let's look at the weekly real quick. I mean, guys, if you follow me on X, you knew I was bullish as fuck right here. This was a clear sign. Even right here, I started to get bullish. This was the first rate cut. I was like, here we go. Rate cut was bullish, pumped it, got rejected here at trend line, and everyone was screaming we're going lower right here. But when this shit produced a nice little bullish wick, this was my confirmation when I was posting on X that we entered a bull run. Even here, this didn't fake me out. This didn't fake me out. Everyone was terrified here, and then bull run. So this whole move was absolutely seen, and we got the buy this week on the weekly, so we're definitely not done pushing here. So the push here continues. I sold everyone when the buy signal pops up on the weekly. It's not an easy feat. We got the buy signal right here. That's why I gave no Fs from this October 14th to October 20th. I gave no Fs. I was even allowing it to retest down here with confidence. We continued this shit up. Now that the weekly is already telling me it's going to expand. So weekly saying it's going to expand. So definitely going to expand here. Hit the girth action. So this bitch is going to get thick. And then just continue this move up. I think we'll see a cool off probably around this time. This makes sense then. So this move probably gonna just continue. So 90,000, 86 to 90,000 is definitely where this year's peak's gonna be. So that's my Bitcoin peak target this year, 86 to 90,000. I'm being specific, and we hit that a few weeks back, right about the bull run. Absolutely, bro. I've been telling everyone about the bull run with confidence, and I'm the only one on X that really just wasn't even. No offense to like big accounts or anything, but even they were unsure. This is the first time where I was like, hell no, I am 100% in a bull run right now. So the fact that a lot of people didn't see this just shows you the lack of critical thinking some of these TA people have and the fear that they have with their TA. Like I was in it to win it with confidence. So shout out to me. I mean, shout out to everyone who tailed me and didn't capitulate, because this was max capitulation. If I ever seen one, goddamn, this was it. I mean, absolutely a short squeeze here. This is where half a CT lost their fucking mind right here. This was for me. If we broke right here down, if we broke down here, I would have said we're fucked. And then to possibly come down to revisit here. Instead, we saw a very nice bounce. And you can see it bounced perfectly. And there's a lot of confluence here at this 66, 67.5. I mean, 10 EMAs right there, bounced perfectly off. The structure-wise pattern, we have, the critical lines here, and then fucking, the upward momentum was about to get lost, and instead we absolutely aped it. So this shit lit. I mean, cannot ask for much better than this. What you can do is follow the fucking right account so you don't lose your damn mind. You're a DJ and you have 150% of your net worth in Mara raw. I picked CleanSpark over Mara. A lot more returns. Appreciate everyone that smashed the repost button. Thank you guys. I appreciate you. I mean, I've been so adamant and so confident. So it's so nice to be rewarded. Like, not just with you guys. It's like nice to be rewarded, like with my own bags. I mean, feels freaking great. Feels freaking great. So I did sell my 11, 13 CleanSpark options, but we'll get to there. I'll tell you why I sold. I just can't risk any downside momentum at this point. This was a great pump to exit on those 11, 15s. Because the decay was going to eat it alive. Couldn't risk it. But yeah, look at the push on everything is lined up. Look, bullish, pushing, huge increase, bullish. We have all bullish signs on the weekly as well. So we're just getting started. And then we look at the daily. The daily looks lit. I mean, what can anyone that says this is not lit is crazy. So since we got 1, 2, we typically see, a few 1, 2, 3. We're gonna probably finish off today with another push, and then it's gonna chill out. So whatever the result is today, this candle is gonna be stagging right here. So don't want to see this shit. So let's get back. Oh, wrong one. Let's see, where you at? What it right there? Okay. All right. This is how you know if the move continues to be bullish. Right there. Want to see a daily close above this. Want to turn this level into support, at least for a day or two, even though we'll lose it. So turning that into support, let's see if it matches. So if we can turn that into support, that means there's a higher chance we do bounce here. We want to see this right here as support. So 75,550. And if we can turn that in, even for a day, I'll feel good about bouncing right here for a quick wick. I mean, these are still strong. I mean, we're definitely not going to stay away from the 60s just yet unless this move just continues. But I think a possibility to retest 69.4 is most likely possible, especially with, the overextension of you can see when it gets overextended, it's got to come back down for a bit. So this move might continue, might stag a little bit, but I think this really just depends on tomorrow's decision to cut rates. But I think when dip, probably tomorrow in the morning, bro. That's why I sold my 11.15 options. For where are they at right now? Let's see. Let's take a look. Okay. She right is 12:07. My calls are saved. Damn, fucking ETH is about to push to 3,000 here. God, golly. Hold up. Mara's 1950. I fucked up selling those 11.15s, but it's all good. I got shares, so fuck it. Money was made. I was not about to gamble with that close up expiration. Overall, I think we're going to see a cool off leading into the morning. We're going to see the biggest dip in the morning, probably like 72, produce a nice wick, and then rip it up depending on the results. So, daily looks fire though. There's nothing to complain. The 4 hour looks like it wants to cool off, and then you see these buy zones. So 72 sounds about right. So we probably see a little decline here. So now that I can see this structure a little better, that's actually where we don't want to lose. So it's about the 74. We probably will lose it though on a 4 hour time frame. Damn. Right there. So we'll probably continue this move down to this buy zone. And right in the morning, it's going to probably just continue the run. Continue the run. Yeah, probably something like this, but 100% we cooking, losing steam here. Let's see where the retest area. The girth though, this shit just expanded, so probably just get a slight little retest here. So I think the middle is probably more likely though. So in between here is where it's going to bounce. So it is definitely already choosing to come down. So no one freak out when Bitcoin kind of cools off overnight. So this 4 hour candle closes at a few hours. So we got like three more candles of this. So if you're gonna be up watching this, just close your eyes and go to bed. Just wake up at 7. At 7, we'll probably get the nice bounce. Yeah, maybe not that high, but we're definitely gonna revisit. We're gonna be battling here, but definitely bouncing at like 7. So let it do its thing. What's good, gang? What a great day. Everyone's gonna wake up rich every day from this point on. It's gonna be awesome. Don't forget to take profits, guys, because you're gonna wake up depressed one day after riding this roller coaster again. Because the same shit's gonna happen, everyone. The same shit. No one talks about this because they don't want you to sell to front run them. But fuck it. If you guys can beat me on the sells, I don't care. But if you don't sell leading into the new year, same shit is gonna happen that we saw last year because it happens every single bull market. Whales sell for taxes, and that's a fact. So if you really go into the year 2025 and you didn't sell, you better be ready to deal with the same shit that happened last year. Just FYI. No one is telling you they sell but me. And I'm telling you I'm selling. Leading into the new year. So overall, Bitcoin doing Bitcoin things, cooking it up, serving it hot. Fuck it, I'm at micro strategy already. Micro down. They already put the sell on the 4 hour. Nope, he just continued to rip here. But it definitely does look like it's finally going to lose some steam here. I would say I'll retest again, probably down there. It just seems like it's going to just be like this. 4 hour, not even a good print on MACD. Down she goes, and the ribbons are not that fanned up. So this one's really going to suffer with Bitcoin moving down, let's say to like 69 if it does. If Bitcoin doesn't continue to pump up, this one's gonna accelerate down for sure. Divergence in the miners and MicroStrategy and Bitcoin has happened. Although the daily gave us a bullish little print here. So, but you can see the struggle on this chart compared to Bitcoin. Like, look at how big it is. You can just see the struggle compared to, let's see, like a miner. Strength. Struggle. So yeah, he's struggling. Coinbase even looks great. Look, strength. struggle. So this one's pretty tapped out. I would rotate it already. If you hadn't rotated and you just want to ride out this lame range between 220 to like 280, maybe 300, and miss out the multiples of a minor, good for you. Good for you. Where do you see myself unloading all the bags? I take my unloading. I have levels. So I have, first of all, I have every levels, and then I have a date. Just like exactly how I fed it to you guys, how I load up with a date in mind, and levels is the exact same way I offload. Exact same way. Yeah, for sure. Long-term play. But I mean, good luck, brother. Good luck. I would rotate into even Coinbase, bro. This shit looks nuts. I would have actually, you know what? Tomorrow I'm selling all my MicroStrategy and I'm just rotating into Coinbase. Fuck it. Fuck it. I don't care. Because even the possibilities I see better now for Coinbase. I mean, the returns this 13%, 30%. We're going to continue to see Coinbase accelerate from here because we are ways away from all-time high. Ways away from all-time high. So Coinbase has a bone to pick with like this range. Yep, got a bone to pick, and it's gonna accelerate there so fast, so fucking fast. Now this bitch just gave us the buy signal on the monthly. It's a wrap. Game over. Accelerating only from here. Tired. Tired little candle because he put in the work already for months. Hungry. Hungry as ass chart right here. Look at, you can even see on the river. Pay attention. The monthly, look at that. Which one would you rather enter? What, you tell me. What do you think is going to happen? The great rotation. This is how I can tell that rotations happen, because this one is tapped out and it's going to come down. Without a doubt, it's going to come down. This one's done coming down. This one actually has got 2 months of straight up mode. So where it goes, all eyes on you, baby. Hell yeah, CoinL fucking ripping. Coinbase pumped hard, bro. I had my homie had like 2020, my homie had a 11, 15, 2020 calls he didn't sell or capitulate last week. He was, leading into ER. He saw it nuke from fucking 210 to 180 and depression to the max. I told him, I was like, yo, sit the fuck down. We about to pump. He's probably in this stream right now. But I told that motherfucker we were going to pump hard. I was like, this is it. Bottoms in on this motherfucker without a doubt, bro. Without a doubt. And sure enough, bro, I told him today before the run even started, 240 to 260. And sure enough, we were fucking there. So, and that's all based off of how I saw the charts with the miners, based off of seeing this, a weekly time frame. It's kind of how I do my targets. But yeah, Coinbase got a date with all-time high, bro. Probably in December. So yeah, because November is definitely finishing off, blasting through this little fucking area because this is already major resistance. You can look at this area like Bitcoin's monthly chart. So this area is right here. So this is that area, and you can see Bitcoin blasted through it. So you can at least guesstimate that this is going to finish off above 286 based off of structural components and the way proxies move in comparison with Bitcoin. Absolutely. You can see this one was going to always end above 200, especially in October. It pushed. So the push has been happening. It's been over pushed. So with that said, there's a lot more possibilities for coin than MicroStrategy. So I don't care what the MicroStrategy people say. Fundamentals, sure. But I mean, fundamentals have pushed this chart to where it's at. So now the charts are telling me it's tapped. Maybe not tapped. Maybe we see like 300, maybe 280, but the returns from here are going to be diminished compared to Coinbase and the miners. Book it. A good coin entry would have been yesterday, brother, to be honest. Now it's going to be very hard to kind of catch this entry. Let's look at the weekly. Look at that. Bullish, bullish, bullish. So ribbons got real tight. They really short squeezed here. I thought they could have gotten a little tighter, maybe another week, but nope. Time to expand. So we're going to see these ribbons expand. We're going to see this week, definitely. I think this week, it's 272 and some. We might even see this one just continue based off rate cuts. So if rate cuts are bearish, we're going to see it retest 220. So I would say at least, you can find this range. Let me look for it here, actually. So nope, but it's already decided to expand. Maybe 230, bro. I mean, this week is closing like this. So actually rate cuts have to be bullish because this chart's already moving and telling us it is. We're going to see a move like this. We're going to see a move like this. This just popped up. So we still have a lot more weeks of fun. This popped up. We had a lot of weeks of fun. This popped up. We got a lot more weeks of fun. So that's why I'm like, this shit is going to rip. This shit's going to rip. And this shit is done. It been gave the buy signal. That's why it front runs everyone. You can tell based off this indicator, it front run everybody, even Bitcoin. Boom. Because it gave it to us on this date. Bitcoin gave it to us on the 14th. And this one gave it to us on the 23rd of September. I always tell people MicroStrategy runs first and then Bitcoin and then like miners and Coinbase. Not sure why, but the charts do not lie. And that's what they are saying. I don't want to tell you guys how to take profits. I'm just being honest with you guys that I'm about to sell on a mega pump. So I already know how and where I'm selling. And I might not share this, guys. I don't know. I feel a little weird sharing this with you guys because then everyone does it. So I got to figure out how is the smartest way to share my levels. That's why I haven't shared them yet, guys. I'd rather just give you guys targets because the loading up is, I think, fine, but it's the profits. I can just give you, I'll let you guys know when I sell because I'm not going to move the markets. But if it's a more delicate topic, I think, is sharing my exact like strategy for selling. So I don't mind going through the charts like this though, but I got to figure out what's an appropriate way to do this shit, man, because I don't want to fuck myself. Like I'm trying to help everyone eat for sure. Everyone's gonna eat, but I'm just being honest. See, and I didn't even have to fucking say that. I could have just shut up, but I'm just being honest with you guys because I'm an honest guy. But Daily just said print mode. So with that, this beer's smacking right now. Boom, boom. So maybe another like this was it for today though. It's gotta cool off at least a wick and then bam, smack it. So we'll see. This one might give us a wick tomorrow, but it's already telling me that this shit is lit. I like to when we gap up like this, like to damn, we gapped up, but this is no easy feat. So nah, man, this thing is not done. This shit about to just keep on going because this is not an easy feat, man. The miners do this and then they just continue to accelerate, bro. It's gonna be hard to catch this one, gang. Coinbase is gonna be very, very hard to catch, even for me. Let's see. Somewhere in between here, it's got to revisit again. So, like I said, I got a lot of confluence at 220. I would feel straight loading up at 220, preferably in this gap. That's going to be, you got to have patience and you got to just pray this doesn't just continue to just annihilate this band here. But it's been pushing for a bit. So maybe a push here, a $40 retest or continue. I don't know. Actually, we did get the buy on the dip. So buy on the dip with the star. This is a top move. So luckily for you, you're going to get a dip tomorrow. So without a doubt, you're going to see a wick tomorrow. So when the blue comes with the buy on the dip, blue bar comes with the star, this means top. Yep. So you get a wick tomorrow. I just don't know how far. I'd have to watch it on the 4 hour, and I don't feel like doing that. Oh yeah, it's gonna. So maybe a retest. The ribbons just got bullish though, but it did give us already a bearish little print here. We had 100% red bars. It's cooling off a bit. Let's look at this shit. Yep. It's coming down. It's coming down a bit. It's gonna come down a bit. So where does that meet then? Right here. So about 230. I got a lot of confluence for at 220 to 230 for Coinbase. So there you go. If you can just get it. Hell yeah. Appreciate everyone in this chat. Don't forget to drop a comment. Let me know how you're enjoying the stream. Retweet the stream out. Follow my YouTube. I'm gonna be posting. Maybe I'm gonna be posting videos all week on shit. Shoot me messages on this. Make a comment on the X link here and let me know what type of videos you want to see for the YouTube, because I don't really post any more videos on X. I feel like it's more clean on YouTube. And if you followed me on YouTube, you would have seen how lit these miners were, because I made the 3 days ago. I made that video and just was telling. Let's see the weekly. But yeah, man, look at this. This is the same pattern that a lot of the miners are printing. And this is beautiful. The miners gave me more confluence because they were in short squeeze mode. I'll show you. All right, let's go to the miners because I'm getting lazy here. Let's do it. Let's fucking do it. All right. Goddamn. Yep. I mean, I told everyone this shit was about to get crazy. Huge buy zone for Clean Spark. I mean, I would not be surprised if this monthly is absolutely closing right here. We're coming right. That's why I'm like, we're gonna teleport to like $16 without a doubt. And yeah, because look, boom, I didn't even have to draw. They line up almost perfect. Almost perfect. So this 1550 is what's needed on the monthly to break out. Nice increase here. Clean Spark looking nasty. Nasty in a good way. Short squeeze because the blue ribbons. Damn, this shit looks sexy. I mean, look at that. Same setup as Coinbase. I mean, lit. Same setup, but max short squeeze, max fear. Oh my God, we're going. No, oh no, psych, motherfucker! You sold all your bags here. Now you gotta pay this price. You gotta pay the premium. When we gave you all the load ups, right? We were loading up. I got the bags right here. I didn't sell nothing because I was scared of this shit, guys. I was like, you know what? This looks like a nice possibility. Faked us out, and boom, max capitulation these 2 weeks, guys. That's fucked up because you could have got the same return, but you sold. Fucked up. Broke through right here already. So this weekly is absolutely going to try to test in between this range. So that's why the teleportation device is activated. I think it's very likely we close at this $15 this week, as long as tomorrow's bullish. I say this, and the only reason I sold my contracts is because, these mofos are hella volatile. But even closing off right here, this is a great close. So you said I don't understand why you go manage people in a clinic. I don't work right now, brother. I just trade full time. I am a psychiatric nurse practitioner, but no more, baby. No more. No need to. But awesome setup here, gang. Awesome setup. Let's look at this shit. I mean, whew, about to give us the triple toppy. Triple toppy. Probably not. Probably not. No triple top here, but I still had to de-risk. I'm gonna feel stupid tomorrow because those contracts. I mean, I was up like 50%, so I'm not like money's money. But at the same time, it's like it's gonna hurt when it rips, but not really because I have shares. So the continuation up seems likely to me because it just looks great. What is the? Oh, it stopped trading, but yeah, this is a great daily candle here, gang. Daily fire ass daily candle. Strong bounce, and we're going to see an aggressive fan out. My only concern is I think tomorrow, that's a huge one, though, to fill. So this gap up was major. But possible, actually. But possible. All right. Let's see if it wants to come touch right here. This is what I was betting on. I think a $12 move down. Oh no, it's over. And then just continue to rip. At 12 bucks, I'll re-enter my contracts. What did I call on the live with Gary, Mike? No? I'm curious. What did I call with Gary? I forget. I say a lot of shit, bro. Anywho, Clean Spark looks fire. I think we're gonna reclaim this visit real soon. Look at Mara. I don't know if I'm gonna get to all these charts, guys. I'm tired today. My brain hurts from thinking too hard. So we'll see how many I get through. Alrighty. Mara looks nuts. This monthly is giving it to us. I said it too. The setup was beautiful. Probably gonna be something like this. Definitely not this. This last November is our October. I really think we're gonna get some nuts candle like that, like a $20 candle. So what does that put us? $20 at 35. That sounds about right. Because that's like my fucking $35 candle for sure for this motherfucker if he wants to. Probably gonna give it to us. I just need confirmation of this monthly getting above 21, and it's a wrap. As soon as we get above this monthly 21, 26 to 31 bucks. Book it. So you get this is the weeklies though. Those are the ones, and it's a wrap, dude. It's a fucking wrap. We're in this same area right here. Send it. So yeah, we'll definitely get, if this week. Let's look real quick. Let me look right quick. This week just closes above, and it looks like it fucking will. This week's gonna close above 2050, and when it closes above 2050, easily there. So that will be the following week. It'll be literally like this. If this week closes off like right here, pretty fucking bullish. This following week is just gonna rip. Why is my mouse twicking? What the fuck? What the hell? Anywho, I think next week we see 24 bucks. So that's like my short term. And it lines up because 24 bucks, look at it right there. Makes sense. 24 bucks is where I'll probably sell a little bit. Sell a little bit. Yeah, I'll be giving out generic targets like this for sure that the miners would follow through. Absolutely, bro. It was fucking obvious with Bitcoin that close. Can you peep Hive? Yeah, bro. Slick Main, I got you. And I got you too, Jimmy. I'll look at Hut. Don't worry. Everyone, smash the retweet on X. Drop a comment how you like the live. I'm lazy now that I'm making money, so this one took a lot out of me to do, but I promised it. My wife's in the shower doing her skincare routine, so vibing. But weekly chart looks great, guys. I mean, this shit was gonna happen. Just like Clean Spark, just like buy on the dip though. So this one definitely wants to come probably like 8. You know these motherfuckers are volatile. So before we blast off, it's giving us the double toppy. Probably gonna give us a little cool. What is it at overnight? Let's see. Unless it just runs really hard overnight and just automatically blast through, but I didn't see that. Let me see. Boop, 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 boop. Hey, Grizzy. Sorry, my boys are 19 bucks. It is going to cool off. Excellent sell on my short-term Clean Spark contracts because I'm buying them cheaper tomorrow. I'll buy them in the morning. Clean Spark at 12 bucks. That's where I'm loading up with absolute utmost confidence. Clean Spark, 12 bucks. And then we continue to rip. Watch it. If you heard me say that on the live and you see that go down to 12 bucks Clean Spark, remember I said it. Buy signal though. So let me tell you a little confluence with my indicators. We got the buy signal, and on the daily, we got also the buy on the dip signal. So when we get a buy on the dip signal, but we get the buy signal here, I can promise you, not promise, but I'm assuring you that it's most likely we're going to refill this gap up on the quicks and then rip. That's what's going to happen. So anyone that hasn't loaded their bags, watch out for this shit because it's happening. So, yeah. Maybe a bounce right there. So that's a big move down. Everyone's gonna fucking lose it if it does that, but it's probably gonna happen. It probably is going to 1750 if it doesn't just continue this run here. Max capitulation is gonna happen in the morning, and then it's gonna run. So if it doesn't continue to run in the morning and you see it losing steam, then it's a sell-off leading into the rate cuts, which makes sense. That's exactly why I had to de-risk my options. The short-term date ones, at least. Although this looks crazy, but let me explain something to you. So this is how you really become a sniper. So with this indicator being blue, you normally would think like, oh my God, we're gonna rip. Not all the time. Not all the time. Because we might get a cool off. Like this can actually cool off up until here and the ribbon still be blue. That makes hella sense. So we'll probably go to 18 bucks, maybe like 18 bucks, but this can fall all the way down if it wants to. Can do it right there. Fall on the 4-hour time frame. It can fall like that. This one can fall like that, and these motherfuckers will still be blue. And then it continues to move up. Probably gonna happen, guys. If we don't see price action automatically just explode, then just prepare for this shit automatically. Yeah. They might even just go a little bit in here and then fake us all out. I don't know, but hey, remind me to look at this shit in the morning. I'll follow this. Maybe I'll do a stream in the morning. I don't know. I gotta ask my wife. Told her I wouldn't stream tomorrow. I gotta spend some quality time with my wife, so I probably won't. But I can definitely update price action all day. Are you rebuying 11/15s tomorrow? Fuck yeah, I am. If it hits 12 bucks, hell yeah, I am. So that's how we look here. Bullish as fuck, though. This is bullish, though. Regardless of the fact, like I said, this is bullish. This whole candle can come down and they still will be red or they still will be blue. And they might, because look. Oh, but the girth. So, I mean, this period. So, this period right here is essentially this period. And this period. Same shit. So we have two scenarios. Oh, one more. We have one more scenario. As you can see, I'm doing these lines because this is when girth expands, girth expanded, girth expanded, girth expanded. So in a 4-hour time frame, this is what I'd be doing. Have I ever done this with you guys? Probably not. I'm surprised I'm doing it now. And then you just analyze the possibility of which one is it going to produce. But essentially they all give the pullback. So that's literally what I'm showing you right here, that we can pull back here and then continue the bullish move up. That's what's going to happen. So excellent sell on my end on my 11/15s that I'll rebuy cheaper tomorrow. So, because what is Maro trading at right now? Oh, 19 bucks. Kind of struggling and going down. So, yep, sniped it. But nothing to fear, guys. Please don't be freaking out on me because look at just like on the ribbons, on the bands, when it came down, just because it comes down, this is a blue area here. We'll probably get this shit. Clearly, we're getting this shit. So it's gonna be like max fear. This can actually come down to here, and these motherfuckers will turn green. We're getting this exact moment. So when I do this shit, I like to analyze why is these blue lines there, bro? My God, this is pissing me off. These keep popping up on my 4-hour time frames. I have no fucking clue what they are. It is absolutely driving me nuts. No, because not close enough to the blue, not close enough to the blue. This is what's going to happen because look, you like to, these ribbons were blue, and even with this is the same thing that's going to happen here. So don't get shaken out tomorrow, guys. Please, please. I'm blocking anybody that just starts talking shit because we get a red candle. This is going to absolutely send. This is your last time to load up before Morrow breaks through $20. Just remember that shit. This is your last time. I don't want to check Pepe on this, bro, but I'll send you a Pepe chart and I'll tell you. Actually, send me a post, comment on the thing, say, hey, this is Pepe guy, and I'll tell you what I think of Pepe. But I can tell you straight up right now, memes are going to get absolutely rocked for another 4 weeks, bro. Absolutely rocked. So I wouldn't touch memes until Bitcoin dominance completely comes down. They are going to get rocked, brother, especially because alts are ripping. There's no liquidity right now for the memes. Think about that. Bitcoin's ripping, ETH and alts are ripping. That means memes are getting hit. And I can tell you right now, total 3 charts probably down. And I haven't even looked at that shit. Let's see. I just know, just based off of that analyzation of like what I just said, total 3 is getting crushed. Has to. Yep. Well, not crushed, but it is lagging behind total 1, total 2. This is dominance. That's not a total chart, but it is lagging. You can see Bitcoin, Ethereum chart, and alts meme chart. So yeah, it's getting there. So thank you, base god. We're gonna get so paid. Riot. I think Riot looks great, and I'm not saying this shit because I have a fuck ton of options. So anyone that thinks I'm pumping my bags, I never have pumped my bags before. Riot is ahead of the game because look. This shit does not lie. In the shorter time frames, you know what? I don't want to look at the 4 hour for Riot real quick. Look at this. My Lord Christ. Look at this. Ahead of the game. Volume doesn't lie. Volume does not lie. And this guy is going to annihilate this and actually show us who the fuck the boss is and go to $16. I'm not sure how. I'm not sure why, but this is such a thin layer on a daily chart. Going to absolutely blast through this shit in a single candle. Absolutely. Clean Spark has about the same thickness. So yeah, we blast through $13. Mara, the same thing, but look at the volume. So there's more struggle with these guys than Riot is going to have because of the volume. That is no easy feat, gang. On a daily chart, Riot doing it. And look, you can even see it's more extended. Let me take this shit off. You can see, look at how much farther extended it is on the river. I mean, boom. Boom. Cooking, bro. And this shit is actually expanding again. So impulse move incoming for Riot. If you're late to the party, you're going to be buying a lot more. A lot higher than this shit. I mean, I'm not sure why, guys. I never pushed Riot on anyone, and I have a shit ton of options since March. So I never ever told anyone to buy Riot. The whole summer when I had 100K in options, I was actually telling you guys it's a piece of shit. It sucks. I was being honest. So one thing about me is my analysis isn't based off of what I have, and it's based off of literally the charts. So I have no reason to pump my bags because I'm comfortable with where I'm at. So I'm not ever going to give you guys fake info or, it's really how I'm seeing the charts. Fundamentally, it sucks. And I know it fucking sucks. So I don't know what's happening. I mean, this is no Iran. This is no Core Z. This is no fucking Clean Spark. But for some reason, I think it's because it's such a suppressed chart that it has a lot of possibility. I mean, max short squeeze. We got double toppies right here on the monthly. Without a doubt, we're going to blast through this 20 into like this $37 range. Watch. The chart looks crazy though. The monthly is ready. Fucking ready. Huge consolidation period, unlike any of the other miners. This is why I think it's about to get explosive. So if you look at this, oh no, I guess you know what? Clean Spark doesn't have as big of a consolidation period. So you're right. Right ahead looks more like Mara actually. So huge Mara. So that's why I got crazy targets for Mara too. No, but no, right. It does have a bigger consolidation period. It has literally consolidated in these tighter ranges compared. I mean, look at this price action from fucking Mara. A lot bigger. So the consolidation periods have been more of like a springboard pattern and like really sideways action on the monthly chart. I mean, great volume increase. Let's get it. Yee. Here comes the beast. It's going to do this shit, guys. I don't know why. I don't know why it's going to do it, but I have a feeling this shit is going to fucking rip. Yeah, and I hate talking this bullish of Riot because they fucking suck. They fucking suck. I hate those motherfuckers. I'll never touch it again unless the chart looks like this. God damn it. Fucking bullish, guys. Because easy break of this so easily this shit's going to $14. But once at 14, that's a baby ass move, bro. That's such a weak ass target, and it's going right there. So yeah. Pumping, eating up the ribbons right now. These things not only got tight, every time Riot does this, it gets fucking crazy. You can see it tried here. The ribbons were still too fanned out, not enough volume. And then it did it here. And it went from 5 to fucking 15, a times 3. So if this bitch can just times 3 from here, that's like $30. Come on, Riot. You fucking gave me serious anxiety since March. I will throw a party in Miami, all paid for by me. But this is why I'm like, right? Looks crazy. A fucking buy signal on the weekly. Like, and the buy signal came at the same time as this. But a higher, so it went from fucking like $5 to like $14. Hey, give me a times 3, Riot. Come on. I will personally fucking send some hookers to Jason's VIP, wherever his office is. I'm sending strippers, not hookers, strippers. I mean, I will throw a party on Jason's honor if he pumps this shit to fucking 30. I was right on my initial observations on Bitfarms. It had an island top followed by a local bottom. Good news, should send it now that we are cooking with gas. Yeah, I mean, that chart, I see actually good news on Bitfarms chart, bro. It doesn't look like a dumpster fire anymore. You know, it doesn't look the best, but it doesn't look bad anymore. Like how now, again, I haven't looked at it since, Jared, but you support me. So I'm going to hop over to there right after for you. But the weekly on this shit, guys, this is not an easy feat. This is the same period that we're in right here, gang. So look, the ribbons aren't blue yet. I would say it's right here. So we're this one. We might, nope, it's actually not. It's this one. So, okay. Damn. No, guys, I'm not, this piece of shit is going to fucking rip. Fucking right. Done did it on us. That's Bitfarms. The difference. Ooh, this beer got me tired. I was going to crack another cold one open, but I'm going to stop because I want to at least power through this. Slick, you're laughing. I might not post this one on my YouTube. Everyone's going to think I'm a fucking drunk, but I'm hype. I might have to go on a run in the morning just to blow off some energy because these look crazy. I mean, Bitfarms, the good thing about Bitfarms, Jared, is all the confirmation of this level. I mean, that's essentially the confirmation right there. Hold on, a lot of touches. It's called touches. I call them touches. So when you touch this key level, this is a high confluence level for send it. You can see what happens every time it comes here, sends it. It even sent it here. It sent it here. It tried to send it. I believe it's actually gonna fucking send it here. It's finally gonna do it. It's finally gonna do it, bro. Shut up, bro. You got conviction holding this motherfucker. I would have been sold this chart. I would have been sold it for a Dogecoin. But goddamn, you're probably good though now because the ribbons are. This is short squeeze waiting to happen. Capitulation. This shit will end the week. I would say next week it's probably gonna be at least 250. Let me see. Actually, I hate giving targets without this shit. So this week you want to see it close above here. If we get the close, bro, if this shit actually closes for the first time above there, it's been a minute. Let's see. Damn, it's been a minute. It's gonna do some shit like this, bro. You got lucky. I shouldn't say that. You have conviction, bro. So I respect you for not selling your bag and believing it because they are decent. But I think this whole riot shit really fucked with them. So close this week, brother, and next week easily. And the only thing I don't like, oh, but it did it here. So okay, so it did come down here. Same period too. So it's giving me the same pattern too. Oh shit. And then not only is that, but this is blue, max short squeeze. Oh shit, bro. You might got one. So maybe I'll buy it. You know what? Fuck it. I'm going to buy some cheap ass Bitfarm options tomorrow. Fuck it. Because I think this has potential here. I had finally see it. Like I said, that 117, the 175 level has just been a bounce zone. Eventually, just like resistance, when you hit it so many times, you break through it. No one ever talks about when you bounce off support. Eventually, you actually fucking get lit in this bitch. You bounce. So interesting. I gotta look at this chart when I'm not so tired. Yeah, I like this chart a lot for potential wise. R&R. Let me see. What did I say earlier? Jesus. I'm definitely not posting this one on my YouTube. I'm gonna delete this shit immediately because this is for the real followers who know I'm brazy on X. YouTube people about to see this shit and be like, "Who the fuck is this?" But let's see. Yeah, man, I think we see the dip. That's what I was trying to say. My bad. I think we do see a dip. I mean, not a big one. This shit just got cracking here. This means we are about to run, but I do think there's a lot of a potential for a dip right here. I think in between these ranges, even if it catches at like 7 in the morning. So if this shit just fucking just continues there, something like that. Everyone's gonna lose their mind. Unfollow anyone that says they're going to fucking 60K right here. You're gonna see it at 71,000. The Bears are gonna come out of hibernation. But yeah, we're probably gonna dip, bro. Nothing crazy though. Look at that shit, baller. I know we're gonna dip because I'm seeing the decrease, and I wish I could change my setting on live for the 4 hour so I can see it a little cleaner. But it would show me something a little different because I always move around my settings per time frame. But this is fine. Yeah, we're probably going to dip a little bit, I would say, brother. Let me see real quick. I'm going to give it to this time. Oh, shit. Boop, boop. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Oh, shit. That sounds about right then. Just to blast it in your face again. You fucking sold. Don't do it, guys. It's going to do that. Especially with all these buys here. It's going to fucking get you again. Just hang tight. The dip isn't going to be anything too crazy. Yeah, it'd be all right. It's gonna just, if it drops 3,000, we literally are all time high. So just this is where acute capitulation happens for everyone that thinks the move is over. So brazy, man. Probably, bro. I think Mara probably fucking hit $20 tomorrow, bro. I'm dead ass. Even if it hits $18, It probably can still hit $20, bro, for real. This is the one. This is the one. I love him. Jesus. Yeah, what a monthly candle on this one, man. So monthly great. Weekly fire. Only thing is we haven't seen a run that hasn't been sold by Bitfury. So every time they did this, Bitfury sold and pushed it down. It was either Bitfury or Mike Alfred, one of the two. I'm not sure who did it, but one of them did it. But entering this heavy sell zone, I would say this shit's got potential to go to $8. And then it probably might make it to $8. I mean, I don't think it's gonna continue to run hard tomorrow because the one thing about Cypher is it's always the hardest to run, and then you notice the next few days it cools off. I think tomorrow belongs to CleanSpark. I think it belongs tomorrow. I think it belongs to Riot, real traditional plays. But if you notice, this shit always runs and then the other ones run. So it's been a lot of green candles too. I mean, this was red, but this shit is probably going to give us some type of wick. Tomorrow's what, Thursday? Yeah. Mofo, you should have sold those 11.15s today or in the morning. Maybe you get lucky. And it does just continue to run. What are they running at right now after hours? Mara 18.99. I fucking knew it. Give me 18. I'll probably go into those 11.15s. I'm eating up this dip with 11.15 call options, and I'm gonna ape into fucking some bid farms. I hate to say it, but the chart looks decent finally. Pretty decent. So I did 1, 2, 3. Who should I do next? I'm tired, guys. I'm getting tired. I'm trying to crack another cold one before just vibe it out. Probably crack 2 cold ones. I don't know. Fucking lit. Bitcoin, baby. Oh, right. I'll do your earnings, bro. Or I'll do high for you. My bad. But this one's for my boy Jimmy. Hold on. Where Jimmy at? What's his username? Fucking Jimmy 168371076. Bro, change your fucking username. I will never shout you out again. Change that immediately. But shout out to Jimmy for fucking having a big ass bag of Hut and Hive. Probably be okay. Hive or Hut looks nuts. I got a booty fuck ton of fucking Hut now in shares. I think I got it's like my third largest right now, or might be my second. I aped into it at like 15, $16. So this one was obvious on the monthly and the weekly. I mean, this is an obvious buy. Fucking Asher got fucking Sue out there shaking ass on X, killing it. You got Mike Pomp you got Anthony Pomp fucking on Mike Alfred on steroids. Hut is doing it. Fucking doing it, bro. They're probably gonna shit on competition here, like going into 2025. I mean, Max, this is crazy actually. Max short squeeze. I mean, at some point, you had to lose faith here. If I had these indicators, I would have lost absolute faith right here. Instead, you fucking had Asher come in and right here. Asher came in right here. Everyone's like, fucking Asher, CEO. And then this dude brought it up from the trenches. A lot of respect to Asher. Brilliant guy. Did an interview with him. If you guys didn't check it out, I mean, a lot of alpha he dropped immediately. I mean, he's one of the smartest CEOs, and I cannot believe he is my age. 29 years old, bro. Boss shit. But this monthly hasn't even started. And I mean, I have a monthly fucking target of 22 and potentially no, wrong one. I'm like, wait a fucking minute. 22 to $27. We already started the parabolic move on the bands. So yeah, that's appropriate, man. Yeah, very appropriate target. Yeah, a lot of confluence in all these areas, man. Boop. I mean, it's clearly gonna hit this without a problem. So yeah, this is gonna be a crazy fucking month for fucking Hut. It's gonna be crazy, man. It's gonna be a crazy week for Hut. You think this dude's done? My God. Oh, you can see I was messing around. This is I forget to take these shit off when I do it live, but yeah, baby, this shit is about to get crazy. This is about to get crazy. Hey, from here, it went from $10 move. Fucking $10 move sounds about right then. So paid. So paid. Burns, just to learn more about your journey, what was your trade account value when you started and where did you learn the majority of your trading from? Any recommendations? Looking to dive in. Lucky for you, I have a Microsoft document on RSI, MACD support and resistance, moving averages, and the YouTube video that I learned it from. So just drop a link or drop a comment and I'll send you that document. Just start there, bro. You got to learn the basics. And then I'm going to be dropping videos on YouTube on the basics. So just the basics, bro. And then getting a trading system like that works or finding indicators that work for you, because prior to not having this system, it was a little difficult, not gonna lie. So I don't know. It's just yeah. Trading is so weird, man. It's like art. You gotta find what your style is, and you gotta find what your flavor is. And for me, my flavor is this entire setup. So I really didn't start making a shit ton of money until I had this system. I'm not gonna lie. So it was pretty hard to trade. I used the bands all the time. Moving averages were difficult to figure out because they scare you. So the ribbons are awesome. Damn, I forgot to send the people the free indicators. So I haven't forgot. If you're in this stream, guys, I'll send it to you tomorrow. My bad, guys. I've just been so locked in. I am going to send you guys the whale indicator and the ribbons. So I do have free version of these ribbons that I think would help you, because the moving averages, remember, these are 10, 20, 50, and 100. So they just form a color. And then like a free version of this shit. So it's a little different. The ribbons are a little different, but nonetheless, they do the job. So weekly chart looks crazy, gang. So we basically have like this double top from like right here to like, I call this a double level. So people call it double tops. We have a double level. So this is where the boss is at. And this is where the finisher's at. You get through this little thick level right here, we are fucking ripping. I mean, should be a pretty smooth fucking ride up here, man. Should be pretty smooth. I'm excited. Don't get me too excited because I gotta go to sleep. No stream tomorrow though. I've decided I gotta hang out with my wife. I actually probably might stay off of X tomorrow. I really need to get off my phone more. So I think tomorrow's the day, guys. So if I disappear from X, I'm alive. I didn't fight myself to get off my phone because I gotta definitely give my wife a quality day. It's been obsessed with trading, but unless the market is just nuts again, I hope it cools off so I could just disconnect from X. This shit already filled the fucking gap. What a bitch. Tricky little setup we got here for Hut. If anyone wants to enter, this already filled, so it's probably gonna start the fucking day off stupid. I mean, tight ranges on Hut. So shout out to anyone in this trade. It's not done by no means. Yep. This is a fun. About to get started. Yep. So nice little wick and then continue. Lit. Yep, Mara's going to 20, bro. Go Navy. I'm for real. It probably is. I mean, 20 is 20, and you're being modest, bro. Every target I give to you guys is pretty modest. Clean Spark, $18. If Clean Spark can get to $14, $15 this week, it'll be at $20 next week. So if it stays at 13, it'll probably just be at 16 next week. Yep. So 4 hour. Wants to cool off a bit. No, it's not going to happen. Pretty thick though already, so maybe actually Hut might cool off here. Let me see. Actually, this is why you gotta use all time frames, baby. Yeah, it's either short squeeze it right in the morning, 4 a.m., 8 a.m. I remember my rule, so it's either short squeeze mode or it actually is gonna cool off. Oh shit, makes sense. It had a good run. I mean, this is a monster run, so cool off to like 750 and then rip it. It's been stagnation here, so it probably makes sense to cool off on the 4 hour time frame. But the daily looks fire. Let's see if I can get through one more. Maybe I can get through two more. I'm pretty tired. My brain hurts making all this money. For real. I get like over. Do you notice I'm tired? It's because I was on hyperdrive all fucking day. Like absolutely exhilarated. Pop 20 Viagra's feel like type shit. So my brain is exhausted from being so excited all day. I gotta calm down because I hate being this tired. It's so unusual. Yeah. Monthly chart is in absolutely. Yep. It's happening. If we can just. That's not asking for much. If we get above this range, buy signal comes up. Everyone sleeping on high is gonna be fucking crying when I'm laughing to the bank. Me and Slime over there, who's a hive, the only hive bull I've ever met in my life. So another one that's about to get brazy. Yeah, Hive's going like $12. It's gonna be an easy ×3 for Hive. So easy ×3. Yeah, monthly looks fire. Ooh, but the weekly looks fire. Let's get it. That shit woke me up. Sheesh. It's about to get lit though. This week, you think Hive's done? Gonna fucking blast through this. 1, 2, about 3 touches. Absolutely annihilate this fucking range. See you guys. This bitch probably be at $6, $7 in like 2 weeks. End of month. Yep. Actually, that sounds about right. That sounds about fucking right because that's why the monthly looks like this. And then take this shit out. So, yep. It's taking this shit out. Must have good earnings then for a weekly to look like that. I know I do need to get some sleep, dude. I have been sleeping horrible. I have sleeping pills. I think I need to take one after this stream ends to fucking recharge my mind. So I might sleep in tomorrow. Oh, fuck. I can't. God damn it. I might not even post this video, bro. I've been feeling stupid on it, so I don't want people to think that I don't know if I'm gonna post this one. I'm definitely not posting it on YouTube. Let me try to power through some of these other ones real quick. BT. Let's see this shit. Yeah, BT is another one. Look at that. My God. Another one that's going to do it on us. So even tighter than this range here. So BT really is going to just melt up. Yes. This is probably going to hit it one of the hardest melt ups in the game, bro. Easy mode taking this out. Easy target right here. Easy monthly target. November, December is going to give it to us. Facts. Shit, we might even get it in the next. This is all we got to take out. And then there's nothing on a weekly fucking time frame taking it out. It's just been bungee jumping in this range, nonstop rejection in it, didn't bounce, about to blast through this shit, bro. Look at the volume. My God, this is the first time this mofo's had. Second time it's had 76 75 and higher, but we have consistency here. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. It's gonna really blast though. I really mean it. I'm not being sarcastic. I should probably not be too sarcastic on stream, but it's gonna be hard to be like this. Just gonna keep on giving us God candles. Or it really is probably gonna do this because this one moves with Ethereum. And Ethereum just woke up. Just got the buy signal, but this time I think is the time. I mean, last time it did it consistently with a good pattern. I think this is the same print we're gonna get. So from here, seems logical. Easy work, boys. Easy work to $7. At least $7. Like, and not in that time frame. It'll be quicker for sure. Buy calls for December 20th. Maybe. I'm definitely gonna load up on a bunch of shit in the morning. I'm usually never tired. I think it's my allergies, and like I said, I was just way too excited today. Like way too excited. Where I think I didn't drink no water today. I think I drank no water today. That probably didn't help. So let's see. Yes, Daily just says it can run this hard. My God, hasn't even hit the parabolic move yet, man. This thing is looking good. But all right, gang. That's it for today. I'm gonna go crack a cold one. It just vibe it out. I need to get some good sleep. All right, guys. My bad if I didn't cover the miner you want. Shoot me a message, drop a comment on this X post, retweet it, and then if I didn't cover the miner you want, like Wolf, Corzi, who else didn't I cover? Wolf, Corzi, who else? So I didn't do the ETF. I didn't do BTDR. I didn't do Corzi, Wolf, and that's about it. I did most of them. I'm proud of myself. I went a lot farther than I thought. But all right, gang, drop a comment if you want to see the other ones. Shee! I know, no Irene. I'll send you Irene, but yeah.